For these exercises, it says, from the graph, you can find the focus and the directrix. And use the value to write, the value of P to write the equation. Okay, so let's start by thinking, looking at this first one. As I look at it, does it open up and down, side to side? It's an up and down. So therefore, I know that it's going to be x squared equals 4py. And then from there, now I figure some things out. So do you see how this right here just tells me that the p is -3? So my equation is x squared equals 4 times -3y. So x squared equals -12y. You can find the focus. So the focus was 0, -3. And therefore the directrix is a side-to-side line, so y equals +3. My focal width is 12, +12. It's always an absolute value. All right, let's look at this next one. Well, this one, I know it's going side to side. Yes, so if it's going side to side, then it's gonna be a y squared equals 4px. Okay, I know that my p is 4, my focus equals 4, 0, so p is 4. So 4py just means 16x. You're like, where did she get that? Just pause for a second and figure out why. So my focus was 4, 0, my p was 4. My directrix would be an x equals line, -4. And my focal width, 16. So I go up 8, down 8. There you have it. That was quick.